Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to create and customize a fountain fill step by step. First, go ahead and add a shape to your canvas. Now, select the Interactive Fill tool. From the top options, choose the Fountain Fill option. To change the color of the fill, simply click on the color preview. This will open the color dialog box. From here, you can select any color you like. You can also use the drop-down menu to switch between different color modes. If you want to pick a specific color that already exists in your design, use the Eyedropper tool. Just click on any area, and it will pick that exact color for you. To add more colors to your gradient, double-click on the fill line. This will create a new color point. You can add as many colors as needed depending on your design requirements. Now, to adjust how the colors flow, click on the Edit Fill option. In the dialog box, you'll see handles that allow you to control the transition between colors. You can also change the fill style. By default, it's set to linear, but you can switch to elliptical, conical, or rectangular fountain fill and adjust them as needed. Next, if you want to modify how the fill repeats, go to the Arrange option. From here, you can change the default fill to Repeat Mirror. Click on it, then drag your mouse to adjust the mirrored repeat effect. If you only want a simple repeating color effect without mirroring, select the Repeat option instead. Now you'll notice that the colors are repeating, but they are not mirrored. Now, let's go back to the default fountain fill. Using this handle, you can easily adjust the direction of the gradient fill. I have some gradient fills ready to use, let's apply them to objects. Select the object you want to apply it. Go to the Edit menu and click on Copy Properties from. Fill option must checked, now click on OK. Now, click on the object from which you want to copy the gradient. And there you go. The gradient fill has been successfully copied. You can further adjust it by dragging with your mouse to get the perfect look. This is a very useful method to quickly apply pre-made gradient fills to any object using the Copy Properties command. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.